Welcome to our third edition of Really Good Volley Vlog here at the Waterfall.
The first waterfall that is ever being featured on this volley vlog.
Yeah, and if you look really closely, first you'll see water, and then you'll likely realize that in fact it's falling. Which is why they call it a...
See, I really like this, but I have one little problem. It's this bit right over that bit. This one. See, this bit? Yeah.
Oh, touch
that bit.
What's wrong with it?
It's just weird. Who put that there?
Good point.
Yeah. Oh, am I out of frame? Here, look.
Oh, it looks like just
right
looks like
I wanna like get my finger in there.
It just looks like a
zoom right in there.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. If you're looking for a review of this waterfall, that's it.